Hi friends, welcome again on the channel. So today I am here to tell you what is the meaning of success. Someone told me that Devendra, it is possible for us. Can we succeed in life? So I want to tell him that the meaning of success for me, success is it can be a lonely road, it can be a hard road. It's not for everyone. Those who follow others like sheep will never know who they truly are. Only those who follow their own path can discover their true potential. Those who walk alone have the strongest direction. Those who fly alone have the strongest wings. The rest will always be in need of others for their survival. They will always need attention, need recognition to survive. I am at peace alone, needing no attention, no recognition, and I thrive. I am not saying those who have support are weak. I am not saying that you must go at it alone to gain the strength. This is just for those who have fought battle alone. Those who think that nobody believe in them. You don't need them to believe in you. If you believe in you, you don't need their supports if you have got your own back. The best part is when you truly live the life, when you embrace who you are, then you gain the real respect and real love. People love those who have the guts to be themselves, those who have the guts, those who have courage to follow their own hearts, because it's rare and most of people wish they could do the same the way. Keep going, believe in yourself, and it will all come good in the end. When it does, you won't have only inspired yourself to be more, you will have inspired so many others. I had to face huge internal challenge in my life, and I know what is the meaning of success. I i learned to fight alone. Because of the pain, I'm strong alone. Because of the struggle, I have character most will never know. I went into the depth of the darkness. Now I can see clearly there. I know what is the real meaning of the success. Sorry, I am be very angry, but okay. As we all know that success is not problems are the part of life. So don't take it that we can't success. If you fail in your life, then I think this is the first step toward your success. This is the right before because we know that the APJ Abdul Kalam said the great dreams of great dreamers are always transcended, and dream is not that you see while sleeping, it's something that does not let you sleep. So think about big, think big. Don't think about the people, what people think. If you think about what people will think, then what will people do? This is the job of the peoples that surrounding our environmental. Don't believe in them, just believe in yourself. Keep going. I'm very proud at myself that who I am, who I become, and most importantly, I am very truly stayed and true to myself. I am very honest. The meaning of success is not defined in just a short words. Just have a focus on your goal and have a desire, produce a desire, generate a desire in your hearts that you can't be complete without it. If you not complete it, then I think you should feel that if you don't achieve it, you will die. Then you gain the what is the meaning of success. Okay guys, so if you like this video, if you truly understand the meaning of success, then share this video and join me. I will bring a lot of videos about the motivation, about the new stories and the inspirational stories, and I will improve your speaking journey. So please don't quit the English. English is also a path of success. So don't quit it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Take care.